I think if you have never been to the Canadian side of the Horseshoe Falls, you definitely have to come here because it's definitely an experience. Pretty cool. And we don't know what this boat driver is doing down there. I don't think he realizes that he has no passengers on board. But he's given it his all. He's dedicated. It's one dedicated captain.
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklyn, Braeden, and Acacia. We love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode and welcome. Today we're in Niagara Falls. You can see the falls behind us here. We've been here for a couple days, but today we're actually going to go see the falls for the first time.
This is Braeden. Stop! I'm trying to jump it! Here we go, Dad!
There's another black mask.
Fail. I wasn't ready!
I wasn't ready to take the jump that I jumped. I was ill prepared. So you can go on the Maid of the Mist down there, which is actually going to go down into the falls, which is pretty cool. These falls drop over just under 200 feet down to the water. And there's about 6 million cubic feet of water that fall over the falls every minute during its peak season, which is incredible.
But they're on Canadian ground right now.
For our American friends, there's the American Falls. Horseshoe Falls. I'm guessing the one on the right is the Braeden, and that's the American Falls. We're walking. We don't know where we're walking, but we're walking. This pathway down the side of the falls goes all the way. It's very cool. We're going to pretend that those are penguins down there, even though I don't think they are. Seeing how fast they went, I think I could do that.
Yeah. Okay.
In a little seat, sort of like a hammock going down. I think it would be alright. One thing we discovered is right near the Grandview Marketplace, by the zip line, if you're on the Niagara Falls walk here, kind of across from the American Falls, under the deck, that's where there's some public washrooms. So they're quite nice and handy.
Okay, next we're going is gonna be us, guys. Yep.
I don't think we're going.
No.
I think walking down this street is an experience in itself.
I've been here before. I couldn't really remember all this. I remember having a picture by the Rainforest Cafe.
I think that the pedestrian bridge to go across to Buffalo is also over here. Welcome to the Secret Gardens.
We're gonna go to the Secret Garden restaurant.
Shh, secret.
Well,
I think the Secret Gardens are experiencing the end of October and are not so gardeny anymore. Good place up there.
Oh yeah.
how do you, excuse me, how do you feel about this walk?
I'm very tired and very hungry.
So hungry.
It was very beautiful.
Okay. Geese!
He's kicking them everywhere. Hey, there's someone coming. We gotta go across.
Hello.
He's drinking.
Hi guys. I'm getting not comfortable.
So we sort of parked a little bit too far away, probably.
A little bit.
But I wanted to be sure that we could get out because we often get stuck in spots. But the parking lot here is quite large and there's actually not a lot of people here today at all, which we expected because it's a Monday. But if you park on the grass side here, they're very big parking spots and we can easily get our truck in here. Whereas if you park in the middle, it's more SUV and vehicle sizes.
You could get a camper in here.
It is paid parking, but you're right here. Like, the falls are right there, so it's a really short walk. And you just walk down and then you can go over. Now, do I have the keys? Yes, I do have the keys.
Well, I did it first. And I have to look at the phone to direct you back.
Going down the barrel
Are you
first?
sure you don't know your way on your own yet?
Because he's more the crazy kid.
I'm sure I could pretend to know where I'm going. What are you doing?
Washing clothes and cloths.
Yeah,
Not
washing
clothes,
the
but
towels.
cloths.
Ran out of tea towels, so gotta wash them. Is this like a washing machine?
Where are you gonna hang them?
I don't know yet. Maybe I'll just hang them outside on the edge of the awning because there's no way I'm gonna be able to get these like not dripping. They probably have a washing.
They do right
station
behind us.
Oh yeah.
Well, a laundromat. I don't know if they
Yeah,
actually
like you
have
probably need quarters and stuff like that. Why would it be free? So far,
No, it's not free.
I have not been impressed with the amenities here. Like today, the kids were so excited because they saw the jump pad thing like filled with air, and they're like, "Yay, we can finally go jump on it!" And then they go there, and the gate is locked.
KOA in the off season, not really
Worth
doing
it.
a wow
Not
job
really
here.
KOA. No, and it's probably just the way it is because of it being colder. Like what? I don't know. It's not like they're trying to just be disappointing. It's just the way it is with the season of things. This is good.
I'm gonna wear yours.
If it really rains hard, they'll get wet
It's not
again.
supposed to rain,
Yeah.
but it's been raining consistently.
Yeah, since we got here on Friday, it really rained Friday night. And then less on Saturday than I think it was supposed to. And then Sunday a little bit too, and last night.
Yeah.
And it
This
didn't
morning.
really this morning, and then it hasn't since this morning.
Site is soggy, to say the least.
Yes. This poor mat, we're gonna have to prop it up on the picnic table and like rinse it off maybe on Wednesday when it's
Well, I think before we leave.